Welcome to this week's homework. This is the to-do list for this coming week. If you'll see on here, it starts off with number 1 to just finish assembling the phonograms letter tiles. You can click on this link here where it says here are mine, and it will show you a bigger picture. Also, if you haven't, please number your page numbers in your notebook. And then number 3, this will really be the new homework. You're already listening to this, so I'm going to be asking you right now, open up the PowerPoint. Press pause. When you open up PowerPoint, you'll see the content is going to be really talking about the challenge of learning to read. If you go to the next slide, you're going to start on page 15. Up in the corner, the little tab, the yellow tab, will tell you what page to use in your notebook. Go to the next slide. This just shows the 4 articles that I'm going to ask you to read for kind of the hybrid for the week and for class. So here are the 3 articles. I'll take them one at a time. So the first article is called Reading Problems Are Common. There's a handout that I gave you. It's this one that I'm moving around. It has a map on it. Cut that out, glue it, and put it on page 15. And then read the article and take notes on reading problems are common. Next, when you go to Article 2, there is a handout, and has the simple view of reading on it. That's the part that I circled that you can see on this slide. Okay, that I put on the bottom of page 16 in my notebook, and then also read the article and take notes on the rest of page 16. The third article is called How Are Language and Literacy Related? This will use the second half of the handout. As you can see with it kind of circled, these are the systems of language. I put this on page 18 at the top in my notebook. Read the article and take notes on pages 17 and 18. The last article is What Does the Brain Do When It Reads? I found this extremely fascinating about eye movement. So this one doesn't have a handout or anything, just take notes on page 19. When you finish, take pictures of all your pages, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then submit those pictures. I'll show you where. So in Canvas, your resources, the articles are here. This is where you will submit, where my cursor is over. Click on this and you will have the link to submit those photos. If by chance you can't remember what handouts these were that are being used and cut apart, I put them at the bottom. And I'll talk about the hybrid. You just can click on the hybrid over here and you can see what to do for the hybrid. All right, thank you. See you Tuesday.